In this video, we will be featuring Surfshark VPN, a cybersecurity bundle for all-over protection. First, I want you to install the application, and then after installing the application using your App Store or Play Store, head inside the app and then create your account or log in using the existing Surfshark account that you have. And as for me, I'm creating this account. It's an email or Gmail or even an Apple ID for the creation of your account. Then click the next button. Now create a password that is useful for you and easy to remember for your account. Then click the create account. After this loading screen, you will be introduced into the main interface or home screen of the Surfshark. Now as you can see here, we are obliged to try a promo. But for me, I'm just gonna try this 7-day free trial. As you can see here, you just need to confirm into the subscription. Then just click the, or finalize this payment, just click the subscribe. As you can see, it's just processing. And now we are inside the Surfshark application. As you can see here, there are 4 tabs on the top, which is the locations, static IP address, multi-hop, and dedicated IP. Well, dedicated IP explains that you can get a VPN IP address that no one else can access. You can also use it to connect faster and avoid IP blacklisting and stay completely anonymous. Well, obviously, it's like your own exclusive VPN. That is one of the best thing or best feature that Surfshark offers. But I think this is only available for premium users. As you can see, when you enter the application, there is this quick connect button where you will be connected into the fastest or best server the application recommends to you. So let's try that. Just click the quick connect and then click the OK button there. Then it will connect us into the VPN. Well, this also includes the server. And as you can see here, we are connected into the Hong Kong server considering that we are in the South Asia region. So it has connected us to the fastest server, which they consider Hong Kong as one. And as you can see, these are the details regarding it. Our connection time, which is 33 seconds, and the uploaded and downloaded speed is ranging from 60 to 59 kilobytes. Well, we can just simply disconnect it. Then let's head back to our home screen. So you can choose a series of servers here based on your location. Well, they recommend best of the servers by clicking this location. Once you want to connect into a server, you just need to click that location and then it will automatically connect you into a server. As you can see, the difference between the speed of the internet or the server is determined based on the upload speed and download speed. And as for me, Albania is not really a great server compared to Hong Kong, since Albania is something that is farther away from the server of our region. So just click the disconnect button. As you can see here, we just performed how to connect and disconnect into a server. Next is I want you to head into the alternative ID. In the alternative ID, you'll be using your persona and email, where you have to provide your number or your email. So just click the create button. Then here you have to fill in every single detail about the persona ID that you will be using for your VPN. This is like your alias in Surfshark VPN, but I'm not gonna be doing that since this is just a beginner's video, so you can explore that further if you want. Next is the products. As you can see, there are 5 products that Surfshark offers. These are the VPN, obviously, the alternative ID, the antivirus, which costs about 2,100 per year. Next is the alert. So basically, these two products comes in one price, which is 2,100 per year, which is a great deal if you are being conscious of having a safe internet access. And Surfshark VPN offers that kind of service. Next is the search. Well, this is not available since we are just using a free trial version. Now let's head into our settings. As you can see, when you click the VPN settings, you can modify the fastest location, and it will find the nearest server that has a fastest, which is the fastest server that the location will recommend to you. You can also turn on the clean web here. Clean web means that when you are using your server and when clean web is turned on, it will block every single ad inside your web browser or inside the system of your device. Next is the VPN kill switch. This will disable internet access when VPN connection drops or is turned off. Means when your VPN connection drop a load of kilobytes or megabyte, it will automatically kill the switch. And there's also Android native kill switch, which also disable our internet for bypass website and applications. So let's click into the advanced settings. This is just really simple, where you can discover online. The application can discover online. You can override GPS location, which is a great thing if you are really conscious about your safety or your location. You can also use rotating IP, where there are random IP address that will be applied in your device. And you can also use small packets. While using smaller IP packets should improve compatibility with some routers and mobile networks. So let's head back into our home screen, and as you can see, I have covered everything inside the application, and I think you get the gist or how to use the basics of Surfshark. And that will wrap up our beginner's guide to Surfshark. Hopefully by now you've got a clear idea of how to use it and protect your privacy online. Based on the server settings that I introduced to you, the modifications that you can apply into your LAN or your IP address. Remember, whether you're browsing, streaming, or just wanting to stay safe on public Wi-Fi, Surfshark's features like clean web, unlimited devices, and multi-hop can really come in handy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more guides and tips on staying secure online. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'd be happy to help. And also check out our future videos to keep learning more about online privacy and anything about technology. And until next time, stay safe and surf the web with confidence. And thank you for listening.